tense. So I'll say Section 8 company, and I request you to repeat after me. Okay?
एक मिनट
So,
रिपीट वाला मत करना,
सिर्फ ऐसे.
और पूरी क्लास निपटा देंगे लोग.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So formation of companies with charitable objects. So if central government is satisfied that the person or association of person proposed to be situated, proposed to be registered under this section, under this act, as a limited company and has the objects of promotion of science, culture, and protection of environment, or such other objects, then or intent to apply its profits in promoting its objectives, or intends to prohibit the payment of dividend to its members, and then the central government may, by issuing license and on such condition as may deem fit, allow such persons or association of persons to be registered under this section without adding of the word limited or private limited after its name. Then the registrar shall, on such application, register such person or association of person as a company under this section. After that, a company registered under this section shall enjoy all privileges and all subject to all the obligations as of limited company. After that, third point, a firm may be member of such kind of companies. After that, fourth point, a company registered under this section may alter its provision of articles or memorandum by taking previous approval by the central government. After that, a Section 8 company may be converted to any kind of company after compiling with the prescribed conditions. After that, fourth point, after a conversion of Section 8 company to any other kind of company. No, existing company to other kind of Section 8 company. So if central government is satisfied that the company has fulfilled any of the objects, restrictions, prohibitions specified in this condition, that then it may, by issuing license, allow the company to be registered under this section, and on such condition as may deem fit, and without, by omitting the word limited or private limited from its name. Then the registrar may, on such application, register such companies, and all the provision of this section shall apply to the company. After that, the central government may revoke the license if the company contravenes any of the requirement of these sections, or contravenes the condition prescribed subject to which the license has been issued. After that, if its affairs are being conducted fraudulently, or in such manner it violates the objects of the company or prejudice is to the public interest, then the central government, by giving a reasonable opportunity of being heard, direct the company to convert its status or change its name by adding the word limited or private limited after its name, and the copy of such order shall be given to the registrar, and the registrar shall, on such application, register the company. After that, if the license has been revoked and the central government in public interest give reasonable opportunity, after giving the reasonable opportunity of being heard, give an order of winding up under this section, or amalgamation with another such companies having similar object. If the central government gives the order of amalgamation, then it may give an order to form a single companies with such constitutions, properties, rights, duties, and other obligations specified in that order. After that, if on winding up or dissolution of the company, after payment of its debts and liabilities, if some assets remain, then it may transfer to such other kind of section company registered with similar objects, or by as per the prescribed condition of the tribunal, and or be credited to the rehabilitation account, and rehabilitation account shall be formed for rehabilitation or revisal or liquidation of the sick companies.
रिहेबिलिटेशन में एक और वर्ड क्या था? रिहेबिलिटेशन एंड
इंसॉल्वेंसी फंड.
इंश्योरेंस फंड. एक्सीलेंट आंसर, बहुत बढ़िया, एक्सीलेंट.